Pickled onions and cucumber, a super easy dish. Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Feffie. Today we're going to be making the pickled cucumber and onion. First you're going to need a big cucumber. You're going to slice it up with a slicer. Be careful for your fingers. If you don't have a slicer, you can use a knife, but make sure it's nice and thin. A slicer just makes it easy. Then you're going to use 2 small onions, which you're also going to slice. Again, you can also use a knife. And then you want to loosen the onion rings. And optional is pepper, hot spicy pepper. I'm using a Madame Jeanette, about a half. Then we're going to use a teaspoon of salt and Chinese suiker, rock sugar. It's really sweet. You just want to add like 1/3 of a teaspoon of this. Then we're gonna put in some cloves, 5-6 cloves is enough. And then vinegar. We put about 2/3 cup of vinegar. You don't need to add so much vinegar because the salt makes sure that the cucumber releases the water. So it eventually floats in its own water, vinegar, herbs, spices mixture. And there you have it, pickled onion and cucumbers. Enjoy guys!